Hello students and teachers. Big update for all class 10th students preparing for second board exam. Your admit card has finally released and without it you will not be able to enter the examination hall. In today's video, I will tell you how to download your admit card for both school student as well as private student. Important detail to check and mistake you must avoid. So watch this video till end to avoid last minute problem. So this is the official circular released by CBSE on 5th May, that is yesterday, with the subject release of admit card for second board exam class 10th 2026. As per this circular, CBSE has released the admit card. First important instruction for student is reporting time. So the reporting time is same, that is 10 am. After 10 am, no student will be allowed to enter the examination center. So you should plan your travel in advance considering the local weather and traffic condition. Then second one, dress code and document. You should come in proper uniform if you are a regular student. If you are private student, you can wear any normal clothes. And school student should carry their school identity card, whereas private student can carry their Aadhaar card, and they should have admit card with them compulsorily, and they should carry prescribed stationery item only, no electronic device, mobile phone or any other thing. Then next, conduct. They should not spread any rumors or share any exam related material on social media platform, on WhatsApp, Telegram or etc. Now here they have already mentioned private students are similarly instructed to download the admit card beginning today. So now let's see how you can download the admit card. So first step, you need to go on CBSE official website, which is cbse.gov.in. If you are private student, you need to go on this website, which is main website. And if you are school student, you don't need to download your admit card. Your school will download and they will share it. So first let us see for the private candidate. So you need to go on main website. Now if you see here, this is the circular released by CBSE, which just I have explained. Now you need to scroll down here and you will see one option, private candidate. So you need to click here. Now it's written admit card for second board exam. So now let's click here. So click OK. Now here, as you can see on the topic, online admit card for private student for second board or compartment exam 2026, and here is written admit card. So now let's click on admit card. Now here you can download your admit card by three methods. Either you can click on application number which you have received during applying for that. Then second, you can use your roll number as well as year, and you can do it by your name also. Now if we select this application number, you need to enter your application number. If previous year, then you need to write your roll number as well as you need to select the year, because private candidate are from last 3 year. Then if you select the candidate name, then you need to mention your name, your mother's name and your father name. Then you need to click on proceed button. Once you click on proceed button, you will able to see your admit card and you can download the same. Now let's see for school student. So for school student, you need to again come back to main website. Now here you need to go on this Pariksha Sangam. So now let's click here, click on continue. Now here one first option, which is school, click on school. Now here you need to go on exam related activities. So now let's click on exam related activity. Now the second option, which is class 10th improvement second board admit card as well as center material for supplementary exam. So now let's click here. So you need to enter user ID, password, security pin, then click on login button. So this is only for the school. School will download a certificate, admit card, and they will give you the hard copy of that. You no need to download for yourself. And this password and user ID will be available by your school principal or CBSE coordinator. That's all for today's video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, hype the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to channel for latest CBSE update. See you in the next video.